Hello everyone, welcome to the Ownahome, the NGTV show. And here at Ownahome, we believe that owning a home, owning your property should not make you lose sleep. So we're committed to giving you the very best property recommendations and insider real estate gist. Today on the show, I am going to be talking about actually doing a comparison between two of Landway's projects. And very many years ago, actually precisely 2019, 28th to the 29th of 2019, September, Landway launched the Urban Prime series. And when it was launched, nobody really predicted. I don't think they even predicted the amount of success that this estate was going to have. And the very first Urban Prime one was 50 plots in the market, and development began almost rapidly. They did their gatehouse and they staged their home there at the gatehouse to show how other development will look inside. And land sale was closed by the 13th of February the next year, and they launched shortly after the Urban Prime 2. And the Urban Prime 2 was launched the very next day after sale was closed, on the 14th of February, which was Valentine's Day. And they launched it and sales began. Development also of the housing units began rapidly. Also, they staged some homes. In fact, the staging was actually still in Urban Prime 1 because Urban Prime 1 was just opposite. But they also did a very, very good job at the gatehouse, and it was very, very, very state of the art. So development began, and all land units and all housing units were sold August 13th, 2020. So it was just barely few months after it was launched, February 14th. By August, in just few months, it was sold out. And then Landway learned a lesson and was like, oh, these are selling out this way. And by the Urban Prime 3, they released 150 plots to the market, and that didn't even take long. Developments began, and all commercial and all housing units were sold out by the 23rd of August. That was Urban Prime 3. They launched it almost the same time they launched Urban Prime 2. And after that, they were just like done with the whole land sales. And Urban Prime 4 also launched, and it was sold out as well. It was released on the 21st of August. The Oba of Lagos, some other dignitaries came for the launching, and they sold that out. So after a while, they now began selling a phase 2 of the Urban Prime 3. And from Urban Prime 3 here on out, Landway was not really doing land as they used to, because when they launched Urban Prime 1, they were doing land, and now Landway focuses mostly on housing. So the reason for this video is a comparison with this and what Landway is doing at Shango Tedu. They recently launched the apartment in Shango Tedu. They launched it on the 29th of May. All-inclusive invitation, people from who knows who, where knows where, were around, and they had different types of apartments that they were putting out, and they sold all the units of the Willow, the standard Willow, and after a while, they closed the sales on the Orchid. And the reason why I'm doing this comparison video is that I feel like the apartment is following the same trajectory that Urban Prime followed. And so if you're an investor, or if this is where you want to live, it will be good for you to, history always repeats itself, but it will behoove somebody that is paying attention to what history happened, and to take advantage of it. So many investors back then bought several units of Urban Prime 2, Urban Prime 3. In fact, work is still going in Urban Prime 2. It has not even been finished, but people just bought it because they believed in it. So if you want to invest here, contact us to get started on your journey. If you believe that Landway can replicate what they are doing in Urban Prime at the apartment, then you can take advantage of it. If not anything, this place is actually opening, and it's a direct road. It's a straight road to the Novare Mall. And so this is even a place that you can live. It's such a chill environment. Opposite it is the Jubilee estate, and this place is the Monastery road has opened up. It's Shango Tedu, and this is somewhere that you can actually live. And if there's one thing I know about Landway, is that Landway will always deliver on time. So whether you want to have your next apartment, your next housing unit here, contact us today to get started. The studio apartment is going for 18 million naira. The 2-bedroom apartment is going for 35 million naira. And for any further details, contact us and let's get you started on your journey. So if it's anything to go by, then you know that the apartment in Shango Tedu can be as successful, even more successful than Urban Prime. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, kindly give us a like, kindly comment, kindly subscribe, and I will see you at the very next video. So bye bye.